Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn that how we can register on Binoria Online Academy as a student. First click on register and fill this form with your name, your email, contact number, city, country and your password. Check this one that you are the student and click on register. By register, now you have login and you have your own dashboard. But when you click on your dashboard, it will give you a message that your request has been received. Once it's approved, so you can able to access your dashboard. So wait for some time that Binoria Online Academy will approve your request and you will able to access your dashboard. After some time, you may check your status by logging Binoria Online Academy. Just click on login, type your email and your password. So now, here you have a message, you are registered, choose a course now and begin your study. So you may choose your course by clicking on courses, and here you may find all the detail of the courses. So if you want to enroll this course, you can see the course detail, and if you want to enroll, just click on enroll. You will have a message, check your card, go to the card section, pay the fee, and now go to your dashboard. Now you have enrolled in one course, but still it is not active. So now wait for some time that Binoria Online Academy active your course. Now you can see on your dashboard that you have enrolled in one course and your one course is active, which is in progress. It's your course detail. When you click on it, you may see all the detail of your course and you may see the timing of your class, and by clicking here, your class will start. There are many other features on your dashboard which we will discuss on other videos. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.